Get ahead of the game and start picking up those bargains in time for Christmas. This has been hugely popular on TikTok lately, and I'm going to show you why. This is a mini karaoke machine. Now, it may be small, but that doesn't compromise the quality. The sound behind this is fantastic. It comes with 2 mini microphones and also includes a charging cable. It connects directly to your phone or any Bluetooth device, so you can play all your music through the speaker. It looks colourful and sleek and would make the perfect stocking filler. And it's a huge bargain at less than 10 quid. They've just restocked, and you can grab yours by clicking the link below.